Hi guys, this is Chef Susie Singh, and today we're in the kitchens of Le Cordon Bleu Culinary School for ehow.com. I am so excited about today's recipe. We're doing something with a little bit of a twist. We're using sweet potatoes and doing potato wedges. Sounds delicious, right? Let's get started. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna wedge these sweet potatoes. You're just gonna quarter them up and put them in a bowl. And what I love about sweet potatoes is that it provides 60% of your calcium for the day. Pretty awesome, right? We're also gonna add some olive oil. We're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. This is the easiest recipe. I love doing this at home with my kids. I think it's great. A little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, some black pepper, and salt. Super simple, right? Take a look. All we're gonna do now is just toss this together about 5 or 6 times and we can put this in the oven. While we're doing this, you can preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So now that we're tossing this, you can put this on a baking sheet. So I'm gonna line these wedges up. Make sure that your wedges aren't touching. They may stick together. What we're gonna do is put this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. Oh my gosh, I could already smell the garlic and the Parmesan and the onion. This is delicious. What I love about this recipe, it's a set and go. So you can put this in the oven and you can make your main entree. I love this for holiday meals. You can also do this for tailgating. It's also great if you just have a burger and you want some fries. Kick it up a notch. All right guys, we just took the Parmesan sweet potato wedges out of the oven. We're gonna plate them right away. So what you wanna do is, I love adding just a little sprinkle of Parmesan right on top as it's cooling down. I use that instead of salt. So it's a really easy way of getting more flavor infused in your dish without actually adding a little bit more sodium. Parmesan, it's still gonna be delicious. All right, so now I'm just gonna try it, see how it's like. Oh my God. Wow, guys. This is delicious. Not only are you tasting the Parmesan, but you're also getting the crispiness from the fries. I love that we baked this instead of fried it, because what you're getting out of this is that crispy texture without all that fat. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for visiting us. My name is Chef Susie Singh at the kitchens of Le Cordon Bleu for ehow.com.